CHART holds not one, but 2 annual conferences each year. Why, you ask? Well, from the beginning of CHART more than 50 years ago, the members wanted opportunities to get together more often to build relationships they could draw upon throughout the years. Over time, each conference has developed its own character. Many members choose to attend both, or go back and forth between the two, learning from each other, sharing information, and growing as stronger hospitality training professionals. The summer and winter conferences are 2 sides of the same coin. The summer conference ignites inspiration and innovation, while the winter conference hones trainer skills and deepens competencies. Both events share the same mission: to elevate hospitality training and to empower trainers to shape the future of their organizations and the industry. Here's what's unique to each conference. Every summer, hospitality trainers gather in a vibrant hub of innovation, camaraderie, and learning. They come together to explore the latest trends, best practices, and bright ideas that can be immediately applied to their organizations. Thought leaders take center stage, while attendees soak up fresh ideas like a sponge as they gain new perspectives and actionable strategies that they can bring back to their teams. But it's not just about the knowledge, it's also about the celebration of dedication. Here, we recognize the Commitment to People awards and scholarships. It's a chance to applaud the champions of training, the individuals and organizations committed to nurturing talent in the hospitality industry. The Winter Conference offers immersive professional development, skill building, and competency enhancement. This content was developed by trainers for trainers. It's all about the nuts and bolts of hospitality training, focusing on the core competencies essential for trainers to excel in their roles. Here, the spotlight shines on 12 competency certificate workshops in 4 tracks. Each of these tracks takes a deep dive into the specific roles within hospitality training. But it's not just about workshops. This conference also features recognition of competency achievement, and peer-to-peer learning is front and center in the training high-five sharing session. So, that's what's unique to each. Here's what's the same: the things that make all CHART conferences great. Networking doesn't even begin to describe the high-quality connections formed at CHART. Numerous opportunities are incorporated right into the agenda to build lasting relationships you can lean on throughout your career. Nationally recognized keynote speakers bring the spark and energy to every general session. Not your typical vendor expo, the Resource Gallery networking event features introductions to member-recommended partners and extravagant prizes. We have a long history of kicking off conferences with a community service event. This is a great way to meet other attendees working side by side while giving back to our host community. And no CHART conference would be complete without this nightly informal gathering where attendees relax, play games, and get to know each other personally in a casual setting. CHART conferences are a great value. In addition to registration fees and room rates lower than other conferences of this caliber, most of the meals and group networking events are included. These 2 conferences have grown into a powerful network of trainers that have supported each other over the years and developed relationships to last a lifetime. We hope to see you soon at one of these CHART conferences, or better yet, both.